సో మనతో పాటు ఒక హ్యాపీ గర్ల్ ఉన్నారనమాట. సో తన డ్రీమ్‌ని ఫుల్‌ఫిల్ చేసుకోబోతున్నారు. యూకేలో మాస్టర్స్ చేయడానికి వెళ్ళబోతున్నారు. సో మరి తనని అడిగి తన హ్యాపీనెస్ గురించి మనం తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్.
Hello, ma'am.
యువర్ గుడ్ నేమ్?
My name is Afrin Qureshi.
యాహ్! ఓకే. హాయ్. యు ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్?
I'm from Hyderabad.
హైదరాబాద్.
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే. వాట్ డిడ్ యూ స్టడీ హియర్?
Actually, I have completed my bachelor's as well as master's from here only. And now I'm going for double masters. So I have completed my bachelor's of pharmacy as well as master of pharmacy here from here only, India, Deccan School of Pharmacy. But now I am heading to do a MBA, Masters of Business Administration, from the York St. John's University from London.
అంటే మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇండియాలో మాస్టర్స్ చేసిన డబుల్ మాస్టర్స్ కూడా చేసే విధంగా కూడా మనకి అక్కడ యూకేలో యూనివర్సిటీస్ వెల్కమ్ చేస్తున్నాయి, ఈవెన్ దో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ గ్యాప్ ఆల్సో. ఓకే ఓకే. సో యూఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ టు బీ ఎన్ ఎంటర్‌ప్రెన్యూర్.
Kind of, but I am planning to work in NHS. It's my dream to do work in NHS in United Kingdom.
సో యూ వాంట్ టు సెటిల్ డౌన్ దేర్?
Actually, I have not planned to settle down there because I'm having a commitments over here. So after getting a international degree, I will definitely come back to India.
హౌ యూ కేమ్ టు నో అబౌట్ దిస్ Vsauce?
Actually, my father-in-law's friend brought me here. So I came to know about Vsauce. Before coming here, I went to 4 to 5 consultancies. But as I said, I'm doing a double master, so they were not encouraging me. So when I came here, they supported me in all my process. Like even though after a gap, I'm having experience also as assistant professor. So they helped me out to fulfill my dream of doing double masters.
Did you got break after your academics?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I
okay.
have completed my masters. Then I did the assistant professor job. Then I took a step of moving ahead to abroad.
Okay, so how much you have experience of your work?
7 years.
7 years experience. Okay, after 7 years you're applying again for double masters.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, it was my dream to do my international degree from either USA or from UK. But I did not gone through for USA, so I chosen UK as my dreamland to
Now
study.
UK is very very best and comfortable place
Yes,
to live
ma'am. It is very much supportive to, especially to international students over there, like to work permit. As we heard about that, we cannot work in any other countries, but UK is providing the students to work 20 hours per week. So this is the most beneficiary thing, I guess. I feel personally.
there. Okay, so you have almost 7 years of gap.
Yes, ma'am.
So did they get any objections because of your gap?
This
and
is the
all?
main thing. I got benefit from the Vsauce only. So when I went to different consultancies, so they told that because of this gap, we cannot forward the applications. But when I came here, they gone through all my documents, my experiences, and they only suggested me the universities, and they did all the process from starting to selection of the universities till applying to visa.
Okay.
I'm waiting for my visa. I have already applied,
Okay,
and I'm
okay.
waiting for that.
Tell me about one word about your journey with Vsauce.
Like it is a very full journey for me because I lost all the hopes after the USA process has stopped. I lost all the hopes to go abroad to study. But when I came here, they helped me in such a way that I can tell others also that you should go and meet with the staff over here. So they will help you in all the ways which is you are needed in all the aspects.
Okay, tell me one word. Only one word.
One word. Like fabulous, I can say. They give the strength, ma'am, actually to the student. Those are losing the hope, like it cannot be happen, we cannot go. So they are giving a hope to the students that we will help you in all the ways.
Okay.
I can
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. చూసారు కదా, డిఫరెంట్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్స్ అండి. ఎటువంటి కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ లేకుండా ఫుల్ క్లారిటీ ఇచ్చే మన సంస్థ Vsauce. సో ఏది ఏమైనా కూడా ఇప్పటికీ కూడా ఆలోచన చేయడానికి వీల్లేదు. సో రైట్ నౌ చూసిన వెంటనే వచ్చేసేయండి మన Vsauceకి.